Realistic drawing requires correct proportion, high accuracy, and a proper symmetry. And until you are a poor observer, you can't get the right proportion, proper details, and symmetry from any reference image. So in this video, I will try to make you understand that how to observe any reference image to get out all the required details from it. So let's move to the video. I am taking these two simple reference images, and now first I'm going to get details and symmetry of this fly. Let the head be a circle and middle body be an oval. And draw another oval for lower body. Now getting some outlines for the wing. And now you can see our basic layout is ready. Now I am filling a little bit of details. And now removing all the unwanted lines and strokes from the drawing. And now fill out all the reference images details in the drawing. And now this is our final step to provide highlights and details to the drawing. And now this is the drawing after completing. And the same process will also go through the next reference too. This is our second reference. Now simply identify some solid shapes in it, as we did before. Now simply draw the rectangle for the front of the border. Now draw the another rectangle for the side border of the border. Now draw one triangle at the top of the rectangle. Now draw one oval for the neck of the border, and one last another smaller rectangle for the cap of the border. Now the basic shape and the proportion of the border is ready. Now simply fill up the details to the drawing. This is how you can find the correct proportion for any drawing reference in just few steps. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please like the video and subscribe the channel. See you very soon in the next video.